Meaning of infected.
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 Infected. Infected refers to the state of having a disease or illness caused by a pathogen such as a virus, bacteria, or parasite. When a person is infected, it means that the pathogen has invaded their body and is reproducing within their cells, leading to symptoms such as fever, coughing, and fatigue. In some cases, infections can be severe or even life-threatening, particularly for people with weakened immune systems or underlying health conditions. It is important to take precautions such as frequent hand washing and avoiding close contact with sick individuals to prevent the spread of infections.